Hello, I'm Marcy Renee, and you're watching Retro Spectrum. Remember the Agent Carter TV series? It centered around Peggy Carter, an SSR agent and Captain America's World War II sweetheart. Being a woman in the 1940s, Carter was severely underestimated in the workplace, an unfortunate situation she uses to her advantage to fight crime right under the noses of her colleagues. The wardrobe and makeup departments on the show were fantastic. Peggy's fashion sense demonstrates her character's beauty and dynamism, and beautiful red lips were a must in 1946. The California-based makeup company Bésame has just the right color, red velvet. The lipstick made several appearances in the Agent Carter series. In the very first episode, you see Peggy in disguise in a nightclub. She stops at a mirror to apply her Sweet Dreams lipstick, then proceeds upstairs where she kisses Spider Raymond. He goes out like a light, allowing Peggy a few moments to break into his safe. Stark Industries and Bésame Cosmetics have joined forces to make a brand new collection of makeup. It was announced at D23 in 2017. This note from Howard Stark was sent out several months prior to its release, and it reads,
Peggy, your newest pieces of tech are on the way. I'll admit, makeup's not my strong suit, so we teamed up with an American brand to make our tech look as convincing as possible. This is as much detail as I can tell you in an unclassified letter. Your mission briefing will be in the fall. Enjoy the summer.
The makeup campaign was full of mysteries. Agent Carter fans worked diligently to uncover the meaning of each message. One of the first messages came from Jarvis.
Peggy, here are the newspaper clippings you requested. I know Mr. Stark was trying to pass a message, but he did not tell me what the message was, unfortunately. Hopefully you can figure it out.
Included were several scraps of newspaper, one of a crossword, one of a word find, and one of a comic strip. The comic strip shows the detective character holding up a piece of paper to the light. And if you put the crossword puzzle on top of the word find and hold it up to the light, you'll see the secret message spelled out. 102, 103, 104. On the way, look for the jewelry box, Howard. Later, Bésame Cosmetics sent out a cryptogram via email. Once solved, the message reads, Official tech on schedule. Sending you something off the books. Arriving Friday. Keep the paper. I didn't get to finish my origami. Howard. Finally, we have a release date. This is the Bésame Field Agent Lip Kit, and you can see here it's got a lot of detail on just the packaging, and it says hand delivered to Margaret P. Carter. There is a lot of stamps and postmarks on the front of this package, and it looks like it has traveled the globe. There's Copenhagen, Vienna, New York, India, Brazil. It's been all over, and you can tell by the packaging it looks well worn. All right, so let's open this up and see what we've got. Come out. Let's set that aside. So look at that. PC on the front of this box for Peggy Carter. It's got gold trim on the outside. Little fake keyhole on the front. Got your tags on the bottom here for Marvel and Bésame Cosmetics. So let's open this up and see what we got. Wow, look at that. You got SSR right there. We've also got a picture. With love, Howard. There's also a letter inside this package. Stark Industries. Peggy, say hello to your newest pieces of tech, courtesy of Stark Industries. For security purposes, it will appear to be an ordinary jewelry box. Pull that tab on the side to uncover real gems. 3 lipsticks that pack a real punch. To make our tech as convincing as possible, these products will resemble the popular cosmetics brand Bésame. To the public, these look like 3 top-notch lipstick tubes, but the numbers on the front let you know what they really do. Commit these to memory. 102 Sweet Dreams, a neutral red lipstick suitable for everyday wear. Careful with this one. A single kiss on the lips and your date is out like a light. 103 Forget Me Not, a natural rose shade that looks like your lips but better. If someone spills the beans during a mission, I know it'd never be you. A single kiss on the lips, they won't remember the last 12 hours. 104 Always Be True, a highly pigmented and saturated red. Dense, bright, and deep. Sometimes you don't have the luxury of good cop, bad cop. 1 kiss on the lips with this shade and no one will be able to lie to you. Use them wisely, my friend. Howard. All right. Let's see here. There it is. There's a little tab on the side. Let's pull that up. And you've got a secret compartment. 1, 2, 3 lipsticks. Nice. You've got 102 Sweet Dreams, 103 Forget Me Not, and 104 Always Be True. All right, so let's pop these out. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is our first one. Look at the tube. It resembles the one that they had on the TV show. So if you open it up, it also says Marvel on the inside. And there is your red lipstick. There's one. It's number 2, Forget Me Not. It also says Bésame on the inside. The lovely pink shade. Number 3. Wow, that is a beautiful red. There is 3 stunning colors. Overall, I'm really pleased with this product and this whole packaging collection that they've put together. It's a lot of fun for someone who's a fan of Agent Carter, but it's also someone who is just a fan of the makeup itself. You get 3 beautiful colors from Bésame Cosmetics. They aren't new colors, but they are some really popular, wonderful colors. Some of them sell out quite often, so to get all 3 of them in one package is quite a treat. So there you have it, the Bésame Agent Carter Lip Kit, and we'll put links in the description below if you want to get one for yourself. So thanks for watching.
And hey, if you enjoyed this video, why not press the like button and subscribe to Retro Spectrum.